Little B, you having fun? Maverick, are you having fun cleaning? Are you having fun cleaning?
Yeah.
Okay, clean over here. All that right there. Get all that on the ground. Here, pull that mat out. Pull the whole mat out. Throw them on the floor. Do this side. Let's go. Let's go. I'll drop you back off at your mama's house.
Why are you recording? Why aren't you helping?
I don't gotta help. I'm making sure you learn how to clean. You're doing pretty good too. Maverick, you still having fun? Get inside here, here. Yeah, inside here. Pick it up. Is it good? Okay, give it to me, son. Give it to me. Give it back.